Welcome to Easy Cooking. Today we'll be making Toor Dal, or you can also call it lentil soup. So I do have about half big bowl of Toor Dal. You have to wash it nicely and then get it boiled, about 3 whistles in the pressure cooker. So I do have the boiled dal ready right here. I already did it, mixed it with about 2 glasses of water. So it's nice and liquidy, you can see. It's runny. I did use the whisk and whisked it properly to mix it. So we are ready to go. I'll turn on the gas. We'll do it at the low flame. And I took about 3 big spoons, the one in my hand, of oil. And now I'll be putting in some dry masala. We'll start with the mustard seeds. Using it about 1 spoon, the spoon right here. So 1 spoon of mustard seeds. We'll use 1 spoon of cumin seeds. I'm going to turn on the heat a little bit on high. Not high, but medium. And then 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 spoon of coriander powder. We'll be using 1/4 spoon of red chili powder. And I have garam masala here. If you don't have it, don't worry. But I do have it, so I'm going to put about 1/4 spoon of garam masala. And we'll be putting in some salt. So this salt is going to be, I'm just putting it as per the taste. You can add more. I am not telling the measurement because I'm just putting it as much as we eat, my family members eat. And I do have 2 green chili peppers right here. You can definitely skip it if you do not prefer spicy. So I have 2 of them. I'm just going to cut them with my hands, like break them with my hands. And we'll just wait for the mustard seeds and cumin seeds to cook for a couple of minutes. Once you hear the sizzling sound, we can add our other ingredients. So we'll just wait a couple of minutes. Okay, so now you can see that our mustard seeds and our cumin seeds are cooked, and you can hear the sizzle. So it's time for us to add our onions and tomatoes. I chopped about 1 onion, 1 medium-sized onion, and half tomato. So I'm going to mix it nicely. My gas is still on medium flame, so I'm going to let the vegetables cook. We'll cover it with a lid and leave it on the medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. So it's been about 4 to 5 minutes. We'll check. I did check about 1 time. And now it's nicely done. So yeah, it looks like it's time for us to put our lentil, our dal in it. I'm going to pour it in. Yeah, I made it in a good amount. My kids do like it. My family likes it. So whenever I make it, I do like to make it in a big portion so we can have it for at least a couple of days. We do like to eat the dal or lentil soup, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so it looks good. It's not ready. We'll be stirring it for a minute or so, and I do like to put a little bit of sugar in it, so I'm going to put about 1 spoon of sugar. It does give a good taste. Actually, we can do 1.5 if you do not like it sweet. It's not going to be sweet, it's just going to give a little taste, like very slight bit of taste, sweet taste. So if you don't like it, you can completely skip it. And now it looks like we have put in all our ingredients, and we'll just have to wait for the dal to cook. We'll be waiting for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to leave the gas on low flame and cover it with the lid. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I did check after 15. It was, yeah, it needed a little bit more time, so I kept it a little bit longer, and looks like now it's ready. So you can call it lentil soup, you can call it dal. It goes really good with rice. I'm going to pour it in the bowl. Okay, here it is. Our dal is ready, or our lentil soup is ready. Try it out and do subscribe and like. Thank you for watching the video.